my video.
Today, we are opening Hotel Transylvania toys from McDonald's. And let's open. Open and oh, so there's glasses, draft, nesting doll, light up Bobby luggage tag, and another Drac and family cruise, a cup, and oh, it's a camera, vacation, memories, camera viewer. How again? This is ooh, syempre cool. So here are all the toys from Happy Meal. So glasses, and then this flashlight. Yeah.